Updated ranch in sought-after School District 48. Open floor plan with cathedral ceilings give this home a spacious feel. See-through fireplace to enjoy in living room and kitchen. Living room has refinished hardwood floors. It opens to a first-floor family room with plantation shutters. Big kitchen has updated oak cabinets, with island and newer, 23, stainless steel appliances and plantation shutters. 3 bedrooms on the first floor with refinished hardwood floors. Master bedroom has a full bath with walk-in shower, granite countertop and 2 double-door closets with closet organizers. Full bath in the hallway has double sinks and granite countertop. All windows and doors, interior and exterior, on first floor have been replaced. Finished basement with newer carpet, freshly painted, family room, 4th bedroom and 3/4 bath. Large storage room. Furnace and air conditioning are both 9 years old. 2-car attached garage with custom shelving and organizing hangers designed by White Rabbit. Brick patios in front and back. New asphalt driveway 2023. Perennial gardens to enjoy all summer. Walking distance to Albright Middle School and Willowbrook HS, just 2 blocks.